Hey everyone, greetings. It's Eric from LapFix. Back at it again. We got another video for you guys today. What do you think we're going to be doing today? DC jack? Yeah, why not? How about that? So we got this one here. It's a nice Gigabyte Aorus. Cool logo, as always. What is it? It's supposed to be like a bird, an eagle. Not sure. What exactly is this? Let me know down below actually what the logo is. I think it's like a hawk or something. Yeah, maybe it's like a hawk. A storm eagle. Everyone knows what that is, man. I show my age there. But anyways, we're in here. We're doing a repair. Now, there's a problem with the DC jack. Every time you try to plug it in, you have to like wiggle it a little bit to get it to charge, right? And that's not a good thing. You don't want to be doing that because it's very easy to break like a trace or something like that in there wherever it gets connected. You don't want to be doing that. So, because you can make damage way worse. You could go from a simple DC jack repair to a motherboard repair. So let's hopefully that's not going to be the case with this one. We're just going to be doing a simple DC jack, and let's get right into it. Okay, and we see this is the Gigabyte Aorus 15P. Yep, that's it, just 15P. Nothing else. I guess there's not that many Auruses out there, right? Gigabyte. I think it's what, a Chinese brand? Gigabyte, if I'm not mistaken. Oh. Top one. Nice and smooth. Not bad. Let's get the CMOS out because it's kind of close. Not super close, but kind of close. I want that be in the way. Okay. Alright, cool. So let's do this. So let's take a look at it. Looking at it looks a little bit weird, right? On this side. Something's going on. Doesn't look like it totally got ripped up, which is good. Flip it over. Anything super obvious? Is this loose? You see that? See how loose this is? See that? I moved it. This is loose. This shouldn't be loose. Shouldn't be loosey-goosey. So we have a few pins. We only have 5 pins. It's not going to be too ridiculous. We had to be mindful of the components around there. See, this part's loose, and that's why it's doing it's touching, it's not touching. But you see, this isn't good. This is very, very loose here. Now, it's good that we caught this one really early, or at least the customer did. That's why they came in, is because it's giving them problems already. If they would keep using it, it would give big problems. So let's just replace it. Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful camera. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm going to put some flux on each one here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and touch up this with a little bit of solder. It's going to mix the old solder with the new one, so it's going to be easier to remove and make a job a lot more better, easier, faster, right? So we're going to do that. So we're just going to go ahead and clean up the old solder, make sure that the holes are good, and then we're just going to place it on top, and then we'll just do a little bit of a touch up there with solder, just make sure it fits perfectly fine, and that should really be about it. Now let's go ahead and test it. Put it back there. Make sure the battery connection's out. So if we plug it in, it should just work totally fine. It's going to be a nice straight connection. Let's go ahead and plug it in and test it. It should be coming on. Looks good. The fan spun for a second there. Yep, there we go. And yeah, it should be coming up now. And there you go. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on fixing a power jack issue or a Gigabyte Aorus not charging problem. And you get to see DC jack repair, fixes up the job. It's a little bit loose in there. Looks to be all good. Very nice machine, i7 Gigabyte. You don't see a whole lot of them. Obviously, not too many there. They're big name brand, more in like motherboard market there. You've seen those a lot, graphics cards and stuff. But it's cool to always see one of these come on by because, yeah, it's always cool to see new and cooler stuff, right? So I hope you guys are watching. If you did, please leave a like. Really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. See you guys next video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.